Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about how animals fly in the air. How do you think a bird flies? Well,
let's find out.
Observe how the birds in the video fly. Are they moving their wings up and down or left and right?
I know. The birds move their wings up and down.
Yes! In general, a bird moves its wings up and down to help it fly in the air. Some birds also glide in the air. Observe what happens to the wings and tail of the bird.
Whoa! The bird spreads its wings and tail wide when gliding through the sky.
Yes, that's right. What about butterflies? How do they fly? How do these butterflies move their wings?
The butterflies clap their wings when they fly. When they move their wings up, the wings bend and form an air pocket.
Yes! These pockets help trap air. When the wings move down, the air helps the butterfly fly. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.